everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for light sweet crude oil for Monday, November 19, 2012. Well, a bullish breakout today above this highlighted zone of support and resistance, and quite a bullish day, a continuation of the first time frame uptrend that was established 3 or 4 trading periods ago, and a fairly large white body candle. It's been some time since we've seen a white body of that size, and that denotes the buyers making a solid amount of net bullish progress and continuing the momentum that they began to build for the previous day's trading. We did see the market test also above the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen today, and we have had a close above the Kijun-sen for the first time in quite a long period of time, and that could mean that we do have some changing of the sentiment in this market. The only limiting factor here, however, is the strong resistance around 89, and the market has tested to that level previously and been rejected from there, and we only have just closed above there. So there is a possibility that this 89 area could still exert its influence and the market could be rejected from here. It's important for us to watch the high of this current candle for a potential continuation of the trend tomorrow, so there is a strong possibility of that occurring. We do have strong resistance above there, around the 90.51 level, and then above there up to the bottom of the cloud, which is at around the 92.32 area, so quite strong resistance overhead. Down below, if this market does come off once again, then we should be looking to the top of this range at about 87 to act as an area of potential support for this market. We saw it holding as previous resistance, and we know that that can turn into support. We also have the Tenkan-sen trading at there, which will strengthen that area as an area of support, and below there this zone extends all the way down to 83.85. In terms of the current Fibonacci extension, here we have the market testing exactly to the 100% level and being rejected from above there, so there is a slight possibility that we could see the market come off, but there's no strong rejection here. The buyers have closed with very strong control of this market, shown some decent commitment, although they did lose some commitment as evidenced by the shadow, but not really enough to suggest that there is strong potential for a change of trend. We do have a target at the 161% at the 92.38 level, coinciding with the bottom of the cloud, and that does make that area a very strong area of resistance if the market does have enough strength to rally up there over the next few days. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, also rejection from the 100% level here, failed to close just above there, but certainly here looking at the 161.8% just around the bottom of the cloud strengthens that area once again as resistance. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously the market remains bearish in the long-term time frame by trading below the cloud, but quite a change in the other time frames. Here today, for the first time in quite some time, we've seen the market close above the Kijun-sen, and that could be quite significant for this market. It does suggest that there is potential for the market to continue rallying. We're also trading above the Tenkan-sen, so we have a bullish market in the medium and fast-term timeframes. Now, this bullish close up above the Kijun-sen is a buy signal with Ichimoku charts, but it has occurred below the cloud, so it is only a very weak signal, and the reason that it's weak is that if the market does rally, obviously the resistance offered by the cloud will limit the move, so that makes it quite a weak signal. Looking at the Chica span, the orange indicator here, that's below the corresponding price action, so it's confirming what we're seeing in the long-term time frame, but not confirming what we're seeing in the shorter time frames. So basically we have a market that's trending down, but we are seeing some buying strength coming into this market. We've closed up above some crucial levels, including the Ichimoku indicators, and closing just at the 89 level. That will be an important area moving forward, and there is a strong possibility of the market testing to the 90.51 area, and then even perhaps over the next few days, if the buyers do maintain control, testing up to the 92.38 level.